Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today I would like to bring you all a video and I want to share with you all my approach that I take to go ahead and place my stencils down on fake skin and dry them very quickly so we can get to tattooing within a 5 to 10 minute span. Now, if you have any questions about anything that you see or hear throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be using this Spirit stencil paper with this design right here. I'm going to be using True Skin, Fake Skin, as you can see right here. And to apply this stencil, I'm going to be using Speed Stick. We're going to need some Scotch Shop wipes. And for this, I'm going to also use a heat gun. Now this right here is the ticket. This is how I go about getting my stencils to dry in a timely manner, and I'm going to demonstrate here in this video. So where I would like to begin is take it from the top with you all in this video. I'm going to apply the stencil and I will go ahead and come back after the stencil is freshly applied. So let's switch over to a time-lapse mode and get the stencil applied. Okay, so here we have a fresh stencil placed down. As you can see, if I wipe away right here, it's going to come off all the way. So what I did was I simply placed the stencil down, I placed a napkin over. I went through the entire process of applying a stencil on fake skin. For those who are not familiar, I made a full in-depth review on that, so be sure to check that out. I'll leave that floating for you somewhere along this video. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my heat gun, and on this part right here, I kind of just move it back and forth. I don't put it too close, I don't have it too far. I want to make sure the heat touches the stencil, and I'm going to do this for about 5 minutes. Now I know that some people do use a blow dryer as well, but for me, I've had more consistent results with a heat gun versus a blow dryer. I'll also leave links for you so you can check out these heat guns on your end. Now for me, I prefer a heat gun over a blow dryer. I have tried a blow dryer, but to me, I've received inconsistent results. I believe that having a heat gun that reaches higher temperatures is the key and the ticket to get the stencil to dry in moments time. Every time that I've used a blow dryer, some areas would dry up and then it wouldn't really fully dry up, and upon the way it would still wipe away. As you can see right here, this one's really faint, but we still have it there. Let me bring you up close here to show you how I'm going to applying the heat. So I'm simply placing it here around the ruby areas like so. I won't stay there too long, but I just apply heat to the stencil, and I'm applying a fair amount of heat here from the heat gun, as it does heat up hotter than a standard blow dryer. So you get the idea. So what I'm doing is I'm just going over all the areas, making sure that I'm putting some heat onto it. And I'm making sure that I'm moving in a steady motion, as I don't want to heat the skin up and burn it. We do not want to burn the fake skin. And to avoid burning the fake skin, you simply just keep it at a steady pace. And you can even move like this, should you choose to do so. So allow me to show you that the stencil is now dry. So I have some Vaseline here, and I'm going to place it on while the fake skin is still warm, so you can see that this is all being done here back to back. And as I wipe, the stencil doesn't get lost. We just get a light version of the stencil, which is what we want, because upon presentation, we want that light stencil to come on through without any of that really dark, pronounced, really dark purple stencil showing through. So that is how I go about drying my stencils in a timely manner. If I'm doing this off camera, this actually goes by pretty swift here on my end. But I will go ahead and leave links in the description below so you can check out this fake skin on your end. I will leave links for you below so you can check out this heat gun on your end as well. For those who practice a lot on fake skin, I do highly recommend checking this out on your end, as they are great investments. If I didn't touch base on anything specific that you may have saw throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below, and I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok all under the same name. I would truly appreciate the support on there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.